Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. On my last video, I was working on my Hyundai where I was changing the power steering fluid. So when I picked up the vehicle, I also had two rear indicators, left and right. The indicators are damaged on the rear view mirrors. So I'm gonna share the link to where I bought these ones on AliExpress. There is for the one is for the right side and the other one will be for the left side. These are attached to the indicators rear. We are going to replace, as you can see, this is all damaged. So we are going to replace these ones. Indicators, I think they're called repeater indicators on the rear view mirrors. So when I bought the car, both on the right hand side and on the left hand side are damaged. As you can see, this is actually cracked. So this is what I'm going to remove and replace them with the new ones that just arrived today. So if you come and look inside, there are lots of videos on YouTube on how to do this. All you need is some of these panel remover tools. You just need to hook inside, make sure that you unclip it properly. This one I've already prepared it, I've already put it apart, but the process is very simple. Just make sure that you do it gently. This will unclip, then you remove the rear view mirror from the housing and you put it aside. So there are two screws, I suppose. First time I'm doing it. There are two screws that we are going to remove that hold the indicator light. So the indicators should be held by this screw. I'm going to take it out. Standard star or Phillips, as we call them, screws. Let me see if I can see properly. If there's another one, there should be two screws. Oh, this one has got two screws. So there's the second screw. I can see the light moving out. It's a very simple process. Honestly, quite straightforward. You don't need any special tool. I'll also clean up inside. There's the light. There's the actual indicator unit. There is also a cable that connects this, so you just need to do it delicately. And there is the connector. I'm not sure how it comes out. I'm gonna give it a squeeze. I'll give it a good squeeze. Let's see if it can come out. So this is the unit that we have removed. As you can see, it's all broken. It doesn't even work. So we're gonna replace it. So one of the things that I like doing, I'm gonna put this on the side, grab a clean cloth. It also has a couple of scratches on the rear view itself that I'll treat later. So I'm just cleaning all the dust. It's a good chance to give it a good clean inside and out. Just gonna clean it up. Right, the moment of truth. This is the replacement part. This is the replacement unit. As you can see, it's brand new. So I'm gonna plug in that thing that came out, the connector. It goes in one way. There's a special groove, so this only goes in one way. So you really cannot make a mistake. So this goes in one. I do see that there's a slight difference on the two. Let me do that. That's the right fit. There we go. Symbol. There's also a rubber that they've put around. I think that's to insulate, make sure that there's no water ingress. And I'm just gonna do the reverse. Make sure that so here we go. I've fitted in for the right hand side. There it is. It's working beautiful. We are going to do the same for the left hand side rear view mirror, and we'll shoot another small video to show you that one working, then we'll do hazards and show you both mirrors working. Cool. So there's the left hand side. The scratches, I will find a way of getting rid of them, but this is the other indicator, and this is the one that was there without a cover, that was broken. So to assemble these two, you just make sure that it's in, do it delicately until you hear it clip, and you make sure that it's secure, doesn't come off. So it's just a clip-on system, very, very easy to redo. There we go, done.